Kids Zone with Trishy. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to read a story about bedtime. It's called Time for Bed. Let's get to it. This is my very special bed. It is where I go to sleep. Sleeping helps me grow big and strong. I like putting on my favorite striped pajamas. They are comfy to sleep in. Then I brush my teeth and go to the toilet. I am all ready for bed now. I like when Daddy reads me a story. It is fun to look at the pictures. It is fun to play the cloud game. I take a big breath and imagine I am lying on soft, fluffy clouds. It helps me feel sleepy. Oh. Mommy gives me a big kiss and cuddle and says, "Good night, sleep tight." It makes me feel happy. I like to go to sleep. Do you like bedtime too? Good night, my friends. Sleep tight. Please subscribe and follow for more.